On understanding blockchain, the first question we have to ask is which blockchain? Private or public? There are different types of blockchain and variations on how do they work. Blockchain falls under the category of distributed ledger. Blockchain is a distributed ledger replicated across a network of computers, and these ledgers are transparent, immutable, and cryptographically secure. Blockchains are the backbone of cryptocurrency. You might have heard about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the first real-life implementation of a blockchain. The application of Bitcoin is not limited to cryptocurrency or finance. The applications are in the field of government, media, healthcare, supply chain, and in all industries. So we have seen blockchain is a decentralized ledger. What does a ledger do? Ledger keeps the records of transactions. Normally, these records are maintained by a centralized agency. Think of government, bank, financial institutions. With centralization comes power. Power is prone for corruption, fraud, manipulation, error, and inefficiency. So blockchain proposes a decentralized method of maintaining records. So who maintains records in blockchain? Everyone. By everyone, I mean the nodes, the peer-to-peer nodes, nothing but the computers connected through internet. So these peer-to-peer nodes, all the computers connected in the network maintain the records. Now you may ask, who appoint these nodes? No one. Anyone can be a node if they download the record software and connected to the blockchain network. Why is this network called blockchain? Because the transactions are added as blocks, and each block is linked to the previous blocks. Think of it like a notebook with many pages. Each pages are blocks, and each page starts with the summary of the previous page. Now if you want to change any of the previous page, then you need to change the summary of all the pages, which is impracticable in the case of blockchain. That is why we say the blockchain records are immutable. So who is adding blocks in a blockchain? It depends upon the consensus mechanism of the blockchain. In the context of Bitcoin, which is a public blockchain, they use proof of work. So as per this mechanism, in order to earn the right to add a block to the blockchain, they need to solve a complex math problem which requires computational power. The nodes in the network which competes to solve the math problem are called miner nodes. You might have heard about crypto mining. And these miner nodes are rewarded for adding the new blocks in accordance with the consensus mechanism of that blockchain. So to summarize, blockchain are ledgers. And these ledgers are not kept in a single place but available across all the nodes in that network. And these records or these ledgers are immutable, unchangeable.